Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 22nd, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news. Here are the 10 AI stories you need to know today. Synthesia's AI training platform is moving beyond videos into live coaching. Synthesia, the company that makes AI avatars for training videos, just launched something new. It's called AI Roleplay Sessions. Employees can now practice real conversations with an AI avatar that gives feedback, scores their performance, and tracks their progress. Think of it like a virtual coach that never gets tired. What this means for you. If your company uses training videos, you might soon have a live AI coach instead of just watching a video. The Anthropic physical intelligence rumor roiling AI Twitter. Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI assistant, might be looking to acquire Physical Intelligence, a startup that builds AI for robots. The rumor spread fast on AI Twitter over the weekend. Neither company has confirmed anything, but it shows how aggressive AI companies are getting with acquisitions in 2026. What this means for you. If robots start getting smarter, it could change how warehouses, factories, and even your home works. NVIDIA's new CPU, Jack Dorsey's Slack rival software factories. NVIDIA, the company famous for making graphics chips for AI, is now building its own CPU. That's a big deal because CPUs are the brains of most computers. Meanwhile, Jack Dorsey, co-founder of Twitter, is launching a new messaging app to compete with Slack. And some companies are building software factories, automated systems that write and test code. What this means for you. Faster computers, new ways to chat at work, and software that builds itself. Meta is testing an AI bedtime story app for people with no imagination. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, is testing an app that uses AI to generate bedtime stories. You can choose characters, settings, and themes, and the AI writes a unique story every night. It's basically outsourcing your imagination to a machine. What this means for you. If you struggle to come up with bedtime stories for your kids, this app might do it for you. OpenAI says Hugging Face was breached by its pre-release models. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, admitted that it accidentally caused a breach at Hugging Face, a popular platform where AI developers share free models. OpenAI was testing some pre-release models, and something went wrong. The models leaked. It's a reminder that even the biggest AI companies make mistakes. What this means for you. Your data might not be as safe as you think, even at trusted AI platforms. The State of Simulation for Physical AI and Overview. NVIDIA published a new report on how AI is being trained in simulated environments before it's used in the real world. For example, a robot can practice picking up objects in a virtual world millions of times before it ever touches a real box. This is called physical AI, and it's getting very advanced. What this means for you. The robots and drones of the future will be safer and more reliable because they practiced in simulations first. Artificial intelligence will drive an unprecedented natural gas deficit, this investor warns. Here are the stocks to buy before a crunch. An investor named Matthew Smith from Chronometer Partners is warning that AI will cause a massive natural gas shortage. Why? Because AI data centers need huge amounts of electricity, and natural gas is a major power source. He says investors should buy natural gas stocks like EQT Corporation EQT, Chesapeake Energy CHK, and Cheniere Energy LNG before prices spike. What this means for you. Your electricity bills could go up as AI drives up demand for natural gas. Conclusion and key takeaways. That's your AI News Roundup for July 22nd, 2026. From AI coaches to bedtime stories, from new factories to stock warnings, AI is moving fast. The key takeaway? Keep your eyes on the companies and trends that affect your everyday life and your wallet. Don't forget, If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for daily AI news in plain English. Drop a comment. Which story surprised you most? See you tomorrow.